up, y'all? Lord Mitchell here with my new Norinco SKS. Giving it a test run. Let's do this. I'm using czech hollow core low recoil training ammunition. Never tried on the SKS. So let's see if it works. Tapco 20 rounder. It did chamber around. Going on!
Is that the last round?
Yeah, it cycled good. The bolt held up and didn't engage though.
I'm still recording.
That's fine. Shit. Okay. Alright. Going on! Come around here.
Alright.
The bolt held up and engaged on that magazine. And just for kicks, let's try this steel magazine again. I don't think I had it in battery all the way. Alright, it chambered the round. For some reason the steel magazine's not working.
You want me to cut?